A very, 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 very important masala, which is not mentioned in the books of Nahw. I couldn't find it very easily, but it's very important because it comes in the Quran. The rule is, if idhan is preceded by a waw or a fa, a harf al-atf, is that still counted as musaddara or not? There's no ism before it, there's no other main word before it, but is the waw and fa, does that affect the tasdir, the musaddara, the being musaddara of idhan or not? So what we say here, إِذَا سُبِقَتْ بِوَاوٍ أَوْ فَاءٍ. If before the idhan, what is there? What do we have before the idhan? A waw or a? What do we have? A waw or a? Fa. Jazal wajhan. Both faces, meaning both ways. What face means both methods are permissible. What are the two ways of doing idhan? One way is that the word after is mansoob, and the other way is that the word after is what? Not mansoob, meaning it's going to be? What's the default state? Marfu'. So jazal wajhan. Both ways. You can make it mansoob or you can leave it marfu'. Wal ihmal. Ihmal is the opposite of i'mal. So a'mala yu'milu i'malan means what? To make amil. Ahmala yuhmilu ihmalan, to make non-amil. Do you understand? So the wal ihmalu huwa al-ghalib. If you have fa or you have waw before idhan, then majority of the times, the majority, even the Quran is like this. We don't make it mansoob after that idhan. So what's happened here? Explain this. Oh, one more point is that idhan is written like this. Yes? It can also be written like this. Yes? And some scholars have said, you write it like this when it's amil, when it governs, when it makes it what? Makes the verb what? Mansoob. And you write it like this when it's muhmal, meaning it doesn't govern, it's non-governing. Some have suggested this, it's not like a unanimous opinion. And the word after is marfu'. So we can tell this is really idhan, this is not an idhan, this is like a bit different. So that's how some have said it. So you can write like this. And in the Quran it's written as idhan. So explain to me the application here. فَإِذَنْ لَا يُؤْتُونَ النَّاسَ نَقِيرًا. What's happening here? Idhan is what really? So what's after idhan? Harfu nafyin la. And what's yu'tuna? Fa'il mudari. So because idhan is preceded by what? Fa. So there's two possibilities, jaz al-wajhan. You can make it mansoob and you can make it marfu'. In the Quran, how does it come? Marfu'. The idhan does not govern, does do amal, because it is preceded by فَإِذَنْ لَا يُؤْتُونَ النَّاسَ نَقِيرًا. Another example, وَإِذَنْ لَا يَلْبَثُونَ خِلَافَكَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. Explain to me what's happening here now. What is idhan on its own? What kind of word is it? A word which causes the word to be mansoob. Yes, it's a nasib. Correct? Everybody following? The word after is what? What kind of word is this? Fa'il? What state is it in? It's in a marfu' state. Yes? But because the idhan is preceded by what? What do you do now? You have a choice. And what's the Quranic style? Ihmal, meaning marfu', meaning you don't make it amil.